This week, Californians have been urged to cut back on their energy use, but instead of conserving, one local man is producing his own power. How much money he's saving.
From San Diego's #1 source for local news, this is News 8 at 11.
For the past 3 days, Californians have been under a flex alert and asked to cut back on their energy use.
But instead of conservation, imagine producing your own off-the-grid energy. Jeff Zevely met a Del Mar man doing just that.
It's a hot summer day, and most of the homes on this block are sucking energy from the state's power grid, but not this one. Green and off the grid. Meet Marty Reed.
It feels great. I'm thrilled.
Marty's a businessman who recently decided to make the sun work for him.
This is the line coming down from the roof into the inverter, turns it into AC.
Follow that line to his power box, and Marty is turning the tables on SDG&E.
I have appliances on in my house. Everything is working. My meter is actually spinning backwards because my solar system is producing electricity.
That solar power provides 87% of Marty's household energy, which means his utility bill will drop from $200 a month to less than $30. After rebates, the system costs $32,000, but will pay for itself in 11 years.
I was frustrated by the fact that Southern California is not powered by the sun.
So much so, Marty, mostly a real estate man, created Sequoia Solar by enticing top talent away from industry-leading firms with the promise of part ownership.
Since I didn't have any solar experience, it was worth it to me to give away part of my company.
Most solar startups rent cheap office space in an industrial park, but not Marty. He decided to lease property right here in Solana Beach on the 101. The gamble is paying off. Marty says business is booming because he was willing to make the clean energy commitment. All of the company's sales vehicles are hybrids, and the work trucks will soon be running off of biodiesel.
How can we sell solar if we're not solar powered ourselves?
And Marty says Chevy and Ford will soon be rolling out electric cars, which is why he has his free solar power charging station ready to go.
Except for Saturdays, every Saturday rather, except for holidays, Sequoia Solar educates the public about solar.